7 revolutionary, free Google tools that replace paid software. Google has quietly released a suite of powerful tools that make several expensive software categories obsolete. Many professionals are currently paying between $20 and $50 a month for capabilities that are now available at no cost to anyone with a Google account. The gap between those who leverage these tools and those who do not is widening daily. These are not minor updates. They are transformative technologies that allow you to build web applications, produce professional audio, and generate branded marketing materials without writing a single line of code. Are you ready to stop overpaying for your digital tools? The first major release is AI Studio, which serves as a personal developer. By simply typing what you want to play in English, the system writes the code and builds the interface for a working web application in real time. This tool can create landing pages, client portals, and internal dashboards that previously required a developer invoice or a high-price subscription. Similarly, a tool called Opal allows you to automate workflows without touching code. You describe a process, and it visually constructs the logic and triggers. This is perfect for client onboarding or content generation pipelines, turning complex processes into internal apps you own and control. For content production, Notebook LM now features a video overview capability. By uploading your documents or research papers, the tool synthesizes the information and produces a scripted explainer video. This is not a robotic summary, but a professional production that understands context across multiple files. Additionally, a tool called Pamely can scan your existing website to extract brand colors, fonts, and voice to generate complete social media campaigns automatically. While currently limited to certain regions like the United States and Australia, it eliminates the need for expensive graphic designers for routine social posts. Presentation and design workflows have also been simplified through Gemini Canvas. You can upload a text-heavy document and instruct the AI to create a full presentation. It is not just copy text. It restructures the information into a logical visual layout with generated graphics. For those needing product mock-ups, Imagine Nano Banana allows you to turn rough hand-drawn sketches combined with reference objects into realistic product photography. You no longer need advanced design skills to create high-quality visuals for pitch decks or marketing assets. Finally, the cost of professional voice production has dropped significantly with the introduction of multi-speaker audio in AI Studio. This tool produces studio-quality audio where multiple voices interact naturally with realistic pacing and dynamics. This is ideal for podcast intros, training materials, or client-facing explainers. Previously, such quality required monthly fees for specialized audio platforms, but it is now accessible for free. Why continue paying for separate services when these integrated tools can handle your most demanding tasks? These 7 tools represent a massive shift in the professional landscape, offering high-end capabilities for $0. The best way to stay ahead of your competition is to test one of these tools for just 5 minutes today. Whether you're building an app, designing a brand, or producing a podcast, the barrier to entry is no longer money. It is simply the willingness to learn these new systems. Which of these powerful features will you integrate into your workflow first?